subscribe to Brit in the Philippines!
We're in Centro, we're in Plaza, as usual, to get out the house. We brought the camera, not to come and make a video, but we'll bring the camera just in case we see something to make a video, but nothing.
Oh, what's that?
And today, what's what?
It's all like a...
You saw my other video of the translation,
Yes.
which I just call translation. Translation. And Centro was really busy because of that. Fruits, different fruit stalls.
There's a lot of people here selling any kind of things.
Yeah, loads of people selling different stuff.
And then that was called the banner, flags.
The flags, yeah. You see, if you remember, guys, you can see there's nothing here. Normally, Naga would have loads and loads of flags.
Yeah.
All up the main road going past SM, right to the roundabout, and there's nothing. There's nothing. So today,
Because of the pandemic.
because of the pandemic, yeah. So today, there would have been crowds of people here. There would have been different colleges dancing and what have you in front of judges here at the stand and being judged and winning prizes and stuff like that. But nothing.
Yeah, even it's very hot. There's a lot of people here that to watch the activities there.
But we'll just have a walk through, guys. There's nobody around today as such. It's gone quiet again.
Because it's midnight. Lunch.
It's midnight.
Lunch.
My God. It's lunch. No, it's nothing to do with that. It's just quiet.
Because it's very hot. Nobody can want to go out.
And I'll prove it to you, because you know what I said on the last video about these stands here. They wouldn't normally be this busy. Well, we'll show you, because there'll be nobody in them. You can see from here they're empty, and there's only the normal nut stands with the peanuts. Hello. I've not brought any money today, my friend, otherwise I would have given you some, you know that.
Birthday ko.
I know.
Wala kaming dalang pera, kuya.
So let's have a look. You can see the nut. That's the guy I always give him money. He sees me and he knows me now. But unfortunately, neither of us have brought any money today. Mel thought I brought my wallet, you see, so she didn't bring her purse. So there's the nut stand. You can't get Brazil nuts. You can't get walnuts. You can't get almonds. Well, you can if you go to like SMs and places like that.
I don't know why.
They're very expensive. I don't think so.
Yeah, they will start
I don't think so.
afternoon because
I don't think so.
Because the corporate is 12, right?
Don't give me that. I don't think so. No. Yeah, one balut like I want another hole in there. Ugh. You know how I feel about balut, right?
Let's get it on!
Now we've seen some honey, some organic honey for the first time in a long time, and I didn't bring any money with me. We're not talking about here. Now I can remember all these stands were full of barbecues and stuff like that. The egg stall's there, but they'll shut down around 4 o'clock because there's nobody in Centro. They stayed open longer. Yeah. They stayed open longer other day on the translation because there was loads of people in Centro, as you could see. So we're going to meet these two Filipinos to have a little chat, and then we'll be off home. I'll get some money and come back into Centro and get some of that honey, because I ran out of honey ages ago, so I can't have my garlic. What?
Maybe when you come back, it's expensive now.
you need to ask before I go for the money, don't you?
Okay.
So she doesn't look at me and then try to rip me off. Because it's not the same woman as we normally get it from, is it? No. So we'll meet these and then we'll do the end of the video, guys, when we've had a walk over there.
How long?
What time is it now?
12.
Right, it's 12 now, so we'll give them 10 minutes and then we'll get off. So people will keep asking me, guys, you know, about how many foreigners is there in Naga, and girls, why do they like older guys, and what age can we go down to, and all this different stuff. You know, all the usual questions, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, we've got Lady Lee here.
Yeah.
And she noticed us and come across to take a photo.
Yeah, because I noticed her is just looking to us, and then
Yeah, I thought she fancies me. No, joke lang.
Hi to my husband in California. I miss you so much.
There you go. So, how long ago did you meet your husband? Was it online?
I meet in online in website.
Right. And how long ago was that?
Ilang months or ilang months kayong parang nagkakilala sa online bago kayo kasal?
We
start chatting.
August 2017.
Mm-hmm.
And then he
Came here.
after our 3 months chatting.
Okay.
Just to prove that he really serious
Mm-hmm.
to me. So yeah, that was the first time we met.
Mhm.
It was November 30.
Nov-
And then 2017.
17.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then nag-married ka mo 2019.
18,
Yeah, 2019.
They
19. They're married in
they married
2019.
Yeah.
Well, that's not rushing into anything,
Yeah,
is
it's
it?
not-
That's
not,
really
yeah.
good. That's really
Yeah.
good. You know what I keep saying about rushing into things, guys? Well, this couple didn't rush into anything. They were courting for a long time. So, you know, hat off to them. They've done the right thing. So, just say a big hello to your husband again and a
Hello,
bye-bye.
my husband in California.
See you soon.
See you soon. I'm coming.
What's his name again?
Lady Lee.
No,
your
your husband.
My husband, Mark Bagley.
Mark.
Hi, Mike.
Hello, Mark.
We meet your beautiful Filipina.
Yeah, thanks for being a subscriber. Bye-bye. Right. That's very bad, Mel. You shouldn't say that. Right, it started to rain, and we've just met. We thought we're meeting two people, but it turned out to be one. It's raining, we're under a tree, but we're still getting wet, so we've got to make this very quick. It's been quite a successful meeting, and we hope something good's going to come from it. We hope things progress.
Faster, please.
So until then,
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye.
bye-bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,